2018 Audi RS5 interior review. It has taken 3 years for the team at Audi Sport to design and develop the 2018 Audi RS5, 3 years of rethinking and re-engineering Audi's A5 coupe into a high-performance machine, one that Audi says draws inspiration from the Audi 90 Quattro IMSA GTO race cars of the 1980s. Near the end of that process, RS5 prototypes spent 3 weeks lapping the Nurburgring's North Loop, recording 5,000 miles of hardcore high-speed testing, and every mile on the Nordschleife equals 9 miles on the street, says the RS5's product manager Anthony Garbis. The result is one of Audi's quickest and fastest 4-seat coupes ever. Unfortunately, Arizona's state police and their white Ford Explorers have little interest in sampling the RS5's 174 miles per hour top speed or its 3.7 second 0-60 miles per hour acceleration. Under crisp blue skies, we're northbound in a Sonoma green RS5, an exclusive color, on Route 87 toward Payson, a sleepy enclave in the Tonto National Forest made famous by author Zane Grey in the 1920s. The wide-open 4-lane dips, dives and bends, but its 55 miles per hour speed limit is strictly enforced, and Arizona's boys in blue armed with instant radar have just ridden up to an hour group for excessive speed. According to the victims, the officers wrote the citations while quizzing them about the RS5 specs. Nice. The A5 family now offers 8 models in 3 body styles, and it makes up 10% of Audi's sales in the United States. RS models, which also include the RS3, RS7 and TTRS, are maximum performance vehicles that sit at the top of their model lines and battle BMW's M products and the gang at AMG for enthusiast desires. In dollars, the 2018 RS5 is aimed squarely at the BMW M4 and Mercedes C63 coupe. Like its competition, the Audi RS5 has ditched natural aspiration for turbocharging. Gone is the model's high-revving 4.2-liter V8, replaced by an aluminum 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 it shares with the Porsche Panamera 4S. Audi Sport has tweaked the engine for